You play solar system games? Is that Wolf Planet? Oh, run. Come on. I prefer Venus because the player's in my back. Is that me? Run! Where's he map? Are you guys? Uh-oh. I'm deep sleeping. Time to my night time. What's happening? What? Is he growing? Ah! Run! Help! Help, guys! The sun's growing! Run away! Oh no, the Mercury's orbit. The sun is turning red. Oh no, I can't escape. No, it's becoming an old year. This is my time to my death. Help, Earth! Terra! What? Earth! Run! Okay, make me your baby. Run! The sun is trying to kill us. I'm scared. I'm sorry about this. I'm too shocked. It's becoming a red giant. Ow, my eyes. I'm blind now. Not the sun. He's trying to kill us. Run! Let's go away! Help everybody! Jupiter! No! I hate the sun when he grows. Ugly sun. Oh no, the sun is going to explode! Wake up, son, you're going to die! What? What? What the? Ow! My ears! No. Oh my gosh. grow again? Oh man. Wow! The sun died! And what to do? He's in our size! Oh man, the sun got dead. Not the sun's death. Now he's in our size. The Venus died. R.I.P. Venus. But I'm still banned. Okay, see you guys. The server has been shut down. Are you seriously? I'm going to kick the Roblox. Get away!